Friends, good morning. I am K.K. Dikshit, orgamist. Today, I will try to fold a base which is known as double complicated base of octopus base. First, we take a paper and color side up. Then we will make a blint base. See, all the four corners will meet at the center. First, this, and the second one will meet at the center. Third one will center. And fourth one, in origami language, this is called blint base or a later fold. The color of item will change. First it was red and now it is white. What we have done? We have color side up and make a blint base such and that. Then for this item, we will make a primary base, tilting this middle curve such like this and fold it in such a way then tilt it and make the primary base half primary base. And another side, what we have done, we have built a blint base and then at the same we have made a primary base. This is closed side and this is open side of primary base. Now we will try to make the bird base by this primary base. There are four layers. We will fold such type of triangle, this, and the second one triangle this, and reverse it, and same type symmetrically we will fold the triangle such as we will unfold this bird base. Just and symmetrically and same at the second side. And reverse it and we will do the same. Open We will correct it. This is bird vase. Be cautious that we will unfold the first corner in such a way. Take it, stretch it, and make this type of. See again. This type, and the same on the other side. We will unfold and the same on the other side. This shape will be such that, and our the next item, we will shrink this portion. This triangle should be shrink below, such that crease till this, and another side I am pre-creasing for shrinking. Then pick up this, keep this, and stretch the model in such a way, and shrink this model. This is very cautious. Now, the upper portion, which was triangular, is shrink in such a way. Be very cautious and accurate, and fold again and again. Then there are 4 lids: 1, 2, 3, 4. We will make this point in such a way that this is below fold. See again, this corner, this point should come this, and below a crease. The crease is hidden in such a way. And same thing the other side. We will take it and push it in such a way. Same thing on the reverse side. the paper will like in such a way 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will crease in this side and this side. These are only pre-creasing, and on this side and same on the other side. This was only pre-creasing, and we will open this and open this, and same we will make open. Then by folding this crease, this portion in this, the one layer should be doubled. All thing in 4 corners. Just take this and intelligently, safely, we will make a crease such reverse it and we will open this and we will open this. Now stretch it and the same here by this corner we have fold this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. In this model, we will again reverse it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse just like this and such bird-like feeling, such a way. This will fold in the inner side. First layer, correct it, and these 2 layers will be fold like this, and this layer will be folded in such a way. And the same thing, we reverse it and fold it like this. But this layer will be folded like this, and the same here we will fold this now. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 layers. We have reached up to the octopus base. Stand up it and tilt this portion below. Such type of activities. Again see, this was in this shape, then we stretch it up to the last, and same thing we will stretch below. Such type of action. Then we open it. This will be a rectangular shape, and we will half the portion. And make a crease such that then we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will make a blind fold here also. 4 corners should be at the center and unfold it. We will make only 3 corners, 3 ideas here. We will make the horse mouth here, just this portion, and this portion, bird-like ways. Then we will make this portion as a foot of horse. We are making a horse that has wing, and such portion this. The next one, we will make a wing of horse, such and horse, the wing of horse. Now we will make the rest. We will make the rest 2 legs of this Pegasus. Just fold this. This type and this. And we will make this unit as a tail of horse. This unit as a tail of horse. Make a space. This is a horse which will fly. For good looking, we can make the eyes for this. This is a model of flying horse, mouth, 2 legs, wings, and 2 legs and tail. This is a final model, and take this model to made again and again, you will be get success. Please forward this model, forward this video to your friend, like it, subscribe it. Thank you.